Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2020 MacBook Air. This is the unboxing and review. New for 2020 are minimal changes since the Air had its major redesign in 2019. Let's start off with the unboxing. Along with the Mac, there is the USB-C cable, information packet, and the 30-watt charging brick. As usual, the Mac is enclosed in a protective plastic film when you get it out of the box. After opening the computer, there's the paper screen protector, and the computer automatically turns on. New for the Air is a redesigned keyboard mechanism. After many issues with the old mechanism on the MacBook Pro, Apple switched to the Magic Keyboard. Equipped are two USB-C ports allowing a very thin design. There's also a headphone jack, and for security, there is a Touch ID sensor built into the keyboard. The Air is known for its lightweight and thin design. For 2020, that is still the case, and even packs good sounding speakers, great battery life, and good performance. Still, the biggest physical redesign is the new keyboard design, which is expected to carry over to the other Macs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to social distance.